LLM. Entry number 54 is University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga, Camarines Sur. Corps Commander and Staff, Cadet Colonel Angelo Obis, Corps Commander. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Lloyd James Bora, Corps G1. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ray Malin Apple Clerlon, Corps G2. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Mark Dave De Los Santos, Corps XO. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Donna Rose Cardino, Corps G4. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Ella April Namoro, Corps G7. Major's Leader Bettina Pauline Francia. Man Leader Yumar Pili, Company Commander. Cadet First Lieutenant or Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Angelo Naga, Company ESO. Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Lawrence Fabrica. First Platoon Leader Boys, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Stephen Carter Alonso. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Princess Natalie Maestrado. CAT Military Commander, Major Dennis Caspi, Infantry Philippine Army. And Advisory Coordinator, Jonathan Sara Jonel Valeros. Coordinator, Majorette Trainer, Marvin Beterbo and Cesar Di Mabayaw. And Master Trainer, Jomel Valeros. Power Guard Instructor, Charles Shane Marshall. Drumline Instructor, Jonathan Tasara. Entry number 54, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga, Camarines Sur. Very much. Entry number 54, University of St. Anthony, San Miguel, Iriga City, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 55.